Want to build strong, defined forearms and improve your grip strength at the same time? Try this simple home workout routine. Stick with it for a few weeks and you'll start seeing real results. Let's skip the talk and get straight into it. Exercise 1. Stand up straight, bend your arms in front of your chest. Make fists and interlock your fingers. Now use your wrists to move your hands in circles, forward, backward and side to side. Focus on activating your wrists and forearm muscles. Exercise 2. Get down on your knees and lean your body forward. Keep your arms straight and place your palms flat on the floor. Now lift your palms and thumbs slightly off the ground. Support your body using only your fingertips. Keep your core tight, pulse your fingers up and down with short, controlled movements. Take a short rest. Exercise 3. Make tight fists with both hands. Imagine there's a ball on the ground. Slowly roll your fists forward, feeling the tension and burn in your forearms. Then roll them back and forth. Keep the movement controlled and steady. Exercise 4. Stand facing a wall or a sturdy surface. Place your palms flat against it with your arms straight. Slightly lift your heels if needed for balance. Push your hips back and let your heels touch the ground. Now rotate your hands outward so your fingers point toward you. Gently press your hips back and lean away until you feel a deep stretch in your forearms. Return to the starting position and repeat exercise 5. Start in an all fours position. Hands directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Now slowly push your hips back toward your heels while keeping your palms pressed firmly into the ground. Feel the stretch in your forearms. Then return to the starting position. Repeat in a smooth, controlled motion. Great job! You've completed today's forearm workout. Stay consistent and I'll see you in the next one.